Okay, so I got like this new whiteboard. I've had it for a while. It's like really nice. So yeah. So I have a friend named Sara Watanabe at my new school. She is really nice. So yeah, shout out to Sara for slides, the beads, candy, and the borax thing that she gave me. So I got this cool metallic slime. She called it metallic metal. You probably can't read that because it's not that bright in my room right now. And then I also got this one. It used to look different. For some reason it changed. It's not as tie-dye-ish. It's pretty cool though. This one she called Rainbow Rush. So we're going to be using this one first to show you what this stuff looks like. So this is the inside. It's pretty nice, I guess. Like, yeah, it looks a lot more like colorful here there. So yeah, like still does look pretty tie-dye-ish. It actually looks kind of more tie-dye-ish, but not as much as the rainbow that it used to be. So it's really cool how she like made this. It's fun to play with. Pokeable. So like I know this video sucks. Pretty bad quality. It's kind of weird that I'm calling myself out, but that's just how I am. So yeah, shout out to all my friends in my new school, to all of my awesome subscribers. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, like my videos. It's kind of a free thing. I need to start working on some of my project things, but my dad's still asleep and then my mom's at work. He would normally have work, but he's on a consulting job, and he's sleeping in. My brother's at school. I was at here. I have to write thank you cards and work on a theology sketch thing. Then, yeah, I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, which is a surprise because normally I would eat it at 6. It's raining outside, so here's my slime. Again, I did not make this. Sara did. Sara Watanabe. So shout out to Sara, especially if she watches this. She might watch it with me at school. So yeah, get this board.